Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with IRA services for 401k rollovers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the IRA services website. Once on the home page, locate the login or register button. Click on it to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the website's requirements. Select your preferred account type, in this case, a 401k rollover. Provide any additional information requested, such as your social security number. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree, understanding the implications of your rollover. Once you've completed the form, click on the Submit button. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for this message. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the IRA Services website. Log in using your email and the password you created. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. From there, look for the 401k rollover option. Click on it to begin the rollover process. You will need to provide details about your current 401k plan. Gather information such as your plan administrator and account number. Fill in these details accurately in the required fields. Review all the information you have entered. When everything looks correct, click on Proceed. You may be asked to upload documents related to your existing 401k. Follow the prompts to upload any necessary documentation. After submitting your rollover request, keep an eye on your email for updates. You should receive confirmation of your rollover status once it is processed. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to IRA Services customer support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.